my Android Tech channel. Today I'm going to show you in this video how to fix gallery photos not showing problem in your Android phone. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your photos or images not showing in your gallery, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open your settings. Just tap on the settings. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see your apps. Just tap on the apps. Guys, in some mobiles you will find manage apps. You can see here there is no option in my mobile. You can directly see from here. Just see all apps. Just tap here. If you can see manage apps on your mobile, just tap on the manage apps. After that, just click on this search button, then type here gallery. Guys, in some mobile it will show as gallery and in some mobiles it will show as album. In my mobile it will show as album. Just tap on the album or gallery. Once you need to click on the force stop. Again click on the force stop and tap on the OK. Then you need to scroll down a little bit. You can see your storage and cache. Just tap on that. Once you need to click on clear cache. After that, then go back and check whether your problem is fixed or not. If still your problem is not fixed, then you need to open your Play Store. Then type here media rescan. You can see here media rescan. Just you need to download this application and you need to rescan your media. If your images are deleted, you can recover that images from this app. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix images or photos not showing in your gallery. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.